Business success is about assembling the right team. It's the businesses behind the business that makes it all possible. When you think about businesses growing their sales beyond forecasts like Momofuku, or even a legacy business like Mattel, sure, you think about a product with demand, a focused brand, and influence-driven marketing, but a big component is the business behind the business, making selling and for shoppers, buying simple. For millions of businesses, that business is Shopify. Shopify is home of the #1 checkout on the planet, and the not-so-secret Shop Pay boosts conversions up to 50%, meaning way less carts going abandoned and way more sales going. Nobody does selling better than Shopify. So if you're into growing your business, your commerce platform better be ready to sell wherever your customers are scrolling or strolling on the web, in your store, in their feed, and everywhere in between. Businesses that sell more sell on Shopify. Upgrade your business and get the same checkout Momofuku uses. Sign up for your $1 per month trial period at shopify.com/DCR, all lowercase. Go to shopify.com/DCR to upgrade your selling today. That's shopify.com/DCR. AI is coming to your industry if it isn't already here. But AI needs lots of speed and computing power. So how do you compute without costs spiraling? Upgrade to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or OCI. OCI is the blazing fast and secure platform for your infrastructure, database, application development, and AI workloads. Right now, Oracle is offering to cut your current cloud bill in half if you move to OCI for new U.S. customers with minimum financial commitment. Offer ends March 31st. See if your company qualifies at oracle.com/DCR. It's 8 a.m. Eastern, March 7th, and this is your daily crypto report. Bitcoin is up 0.5% at $89,155. ETH is down 0.5% at $2,183. XRP is down 0.5% at $2.51. Well, Bitcoin dropped below $88,000 after Trump signed an executive order establishing a strategic Bitcoin reserve using forfeited assets. Analysts say it's a sell the news reaction since the reserve won't involve direct government purchases. Bitcoin was down 5% in 24 hours. White House AI and crypto czar David Sachs confirmed the reserve will hold seized Bitcoin and won't be sold. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent and Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick are tasked with finding budget-neutral ways to acquire more BTC. Traders were disappointed the news wasn't as bullish as expected. Trump is hosting a crypto summit tonight with key industry figures. Analysts say any surprise announcements could impact market sentiment, but the ongoing trade war still weighs on risk assets. Well, Coinbase exec Conor Grogan says Trump's strategic Bitcoin reserve could remove about $18 billion in sell-side pressure. The U.S. government currently holds 198,109 Bitcoin, according to Arkham Intelligence, along with 122 million USDT and 56,000 ETH. Trump's new executive order establishes the strategic Bitcoin reserve and a U.S. digital asset stockpile, which will be funded with forfeited Bitcoin from criminal or civil cases. White House AI and crypto czar David Sachs says the U.S. won't sell this Bitcoin, comparing it to a digital Fort Knox. Well, in a surprise prison interview with Tucker Carlson, Sam Bankman-Fried is once again claiming he was wrongfully convicted, saying, "I don't think I was a criminal." In his second media appearance from behind bars, the FTX founder repeated past talking points downplaying crypto crime and suggesting that FTX was solvent before being mismanaged in bankruptcy. The interview appears to be part of an effort to secure a presidential pardon, as SBF praised Trump, criticized Biden and the SEC, and claimed he had closer ties to Republicans than Democrats by the time FTX collapsed. He took jabs at former SEC Chair Gary Gensler, calling him power-hungry and politically ambitious, while framing crypto regulation as a bureaucratic mess that has obstructed the industry for a decade. SBF's crisis manager Mark Botnick quit after learning of the FTX founder's surprise prison interview with Tucker Carlson, according to Business Insider. Botnick, who had represented SBF since FTX's collapse in November 2022, confirmed his resignation to the block. And finally, a Canary Sui ETF entity was registered in Delaware on March 6th, suggesting a potential S1 filing with the SEC. This comes right after Canary filed for an AXL ETF and has plans for ETFs tracking Hedera, Litecoin, XRP, and Solana. Canary hasn't confirmed the filing yet, and there have been bogus ETF registrations in the past, like the fake iShares XRP Trust in 2023. Separately, the Sui Foundation announced a collaboration with World Liberty Financial, a crypto project linked to President Trump, though details remain unclear. That's all for us today. Visit us at dailycryptoreport.io and listen to us everywhere else you podcast under Daily Crypto Report.
Hi, I'm Rick Rubeck. And I'm Royce Yudkoff.
Are you interested in becoming an entrepreneur, owning your own business, and being your own boss?
Our new podcast from Harvard Business School, Think Big, Buy Small, explores becoming an entrepreneur through the acquisition of an enduringly profitable small business. In this series, we guide listeners how to buy their own small business, including determining if this path is right for them, evaluating prospects, raising the capital they'll need to purchase a small business, closing the deal, and more.
Follow Think Big, Buy Small, wherever you get your podcasts.
How are business leaders working to confront climate change? For that answer, listen to the award-winning Climate Rising podcast, produced by Harvard Business School and hosted by me, Mike Toffel, a professor at HBS. Each episode, we share a behind-the-scenes view into how startups and the biggest businesses like Microsoft, Google, and Seventh Generation are tackling the central issue of our era. Check out Climate Rising wherever you get your podcasts.